Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Tech. In today's video, we are going to see difference between the set interface classes like hasset and linked hasset and tree set. So we have already seen the detailed information about the hasset, linked hasset, tree set in our previous video. So I'm going to share the video link in the details section. So do check out. So in this video, we are going to see the basic difference between these collections. Okay, so let's begin. So first we are going to discuss about the difference between the hasset and linked hasset. Okay, so first difference in terms of like how they work internally. So basically hasset uses the hash map internally to store its element. That's what we have seen as part of the internal implementation of the hasset. But linked hasset uses the linked hash map internally to store its element. So what is the difference between using the linked hash map and hash map? Basically hash map does not maintain the insertion order, but linked hasset maintain the insertion order. So that is what the next terms is like order of element. So we know that hasset does not maintain any order of the element because internally it uses the hash map, but linked hash map maintain the insertion order of the element, that is elements are placed as they are inserted, because here if you see this is working internally based on the hashing concept to store the element. So hash code can be anything for any element, and based on the random it is going to store it. But here it is mentioned like linked hasset. It means that it is also going to provide the linking between the each hash code. So that's how linked hasset maintain the insertion order. Next difference is like performance. So performance wise, hasset give the better performance than the linked hasset and tree set. There is also another class is like tree set, right? Why it is give the better performance? Because it does not require to perform the sorting or maintaining the insertion order. Performance of the linked hasset is between hasset and tree set. So basically this reside because it's required to perform the extra operation than the tree set. Basically tree set perform another extra operation than the hasset and linked hasset. So linked hasset performance is reside between the hasset and tree set. So linked hasset extra operation is like it is going to maintain the insertion also. Okay, next difference between the linked hasset and hasset is like insertion, removal and retrieval operation. So how it is performing? So basically hasset give the performance of order 0 1. So that is nothing but omega 1 for the insertion, removal and retrieval. It means that constant performance. But linked hasset also give the performance of order 1 only for insertion, removal and retrieval element. It means that time complexity for the both the hasset and linked set is same, that is in the constant time. So this is called constant time. Next differences between the linked hasset and hasset is like in terms of how they compare the element, like how they compare the element internally, right? So hasset uses the equals and hashcode method to compare the element, thus removing the possible duplicate element. That's what we have seen as part of the internal implementation. So if you want to know more about internal implementation of the hasset, do check out my one of our previous video as part of the hasset. I'm going to share the link in the details section also. Okay, so this is like kinds of the similarity between the hasset and linked hasset, not the difference. Both hasset and linked hasset also uses the equals and hashcode method to compare the element, because internal implementation is quite same, just to remove the element, because both the classes is part of the set interface, right? So set interface property is like it is not going to allow the duplicate element. And how it is going to do? It is basically internally comparing using the hashcode method and equals method. Next difference between the hasset and linked hasset is like null element. So we know that both the hasset allow maximum one null element, linked set also allowed the maximum one element, because it can contain only unique records. So null is also a kinds of element only, or you can say data only. So both the hasset and linked hasset allow one null element. So this is kinds of the similarity, not the difference. Okay. Next is like in terms of the memory occupation. So hasset require less memory than linked hasset and tree set, as it uses only the hash map internally to store its element. But linked hasset required more memory than the hasset, as it's also maintain the order, right? It is going to maintain the insertion order. It means it is required to store some extra information to maintain the or you can say to provide the linking between the each of the insertion element. That's why linked hash set required more memory than hash set. Next difference is like when to use hash set and when to use linked hash set. So we know, as per the discussion, as per these differences, we can see that use hash set if you don't want to maintain any insertion of the element, and use linked hash set if you want to maintain the insertion order of the element. So basically hash set maintain the insertion order, but linked hash set does not maintain any insertion order. So according to our requirement, we can use it. So these are some couple of the difference between the hash set and linked hash set. Now let's see what is the difference between hash set and tree set. So we have seen already what is hash set, what is tree set, how to create it, how to perform the operation on that, and what are the basic property. On those basic property only we are going to differentiate it. So basic difference is like in terms of the speed and internal implementation. So as we know, hash set for operation like searching, insert, delete, hash set takes constant time for these operation on average, right? That is what we have seen like O and 1. So O is nothing but omega 1. Omega 1 means constant time complexity it is going to take for all those operations. And hash set is faster than tree set. Why? Because tree set does perform some extra operation. Those extra operation is nothing but it is going to sort the element in a ascending order by default. So what are the element that you are inserting? It is not going to maintain insertion order, but it is going to sort the element, and it is going to sort the element in a ascending order. Okay, hash set is a hash map only, but also it is uses the hash table just to make sure that elements are not going to be duplicate. So what about the tree set? Tree set basically in terms of the time complexity, it is going to take little extra time for searching, insertion and deletion, because it is internally uses on top of the tree data types of the structure, where it is going to insert the element in a sorted format. So that is also an extra operation, right? So that's why it is going to take little extra time. So here it is taking constant time, here it is going to take O log n. Okay, but the advantage of using the tree set is like it is going to maintain the element in a sorted order. So if you want to get the top element, or if you want to get the last element, so tree set provides some extra operation like floor, ceiling, like that, and using this operation we will be able to get the highest element or lowest element. What are the operation is performed like this extra operation floor, ceiling, to get the higher element or to get the lesser element, that is also going to take the O log n constant time only, which is not supported in case of the hash set. And we know tree set, as the name suggests itself, tree set is implemented using the self-balancing binary tree. Self-balancing means whenever you are inserting the element, it is going to balance internally, like where we need to put it in a sorted manner. So for example, red black tree. So red black tree is one of the example of the self-balancing tree, and internally it uses self-balancing tree. Okay. And next thing is like tree set is backed by the tree map, similar to the hash map is backed by the hash table. Back in the sense internally it uses the tree map kinds of things, means it is going to maintain the key and value pair, where it is going to maintain like unique of the record, and also since it is a tree, it is going to use some balancing tree, and using that it is going to sort the element in a ascending order by default. But it is also provide one of the constructor, that's what we have seen in our previous video. Using that we will be able to insert the element in a descending order also. Okay. Next difference is like ordering. So that's what we have talking about. So elements in hash set are not ordered, and it is also not maintain any insertion order. But in case of the tree set maintains object in sorted order, defined by either comparable or comparator method in Java. So basically these two are the interfaces. Okay, and these interfaces are responsible for providing the sorting. So there are a couple of basic difference between these two classes. This is having one method called compare to, and this is having one method called compare. So these two interfaces is implemented by the tree set. Okay, so because of this it is able to provide the facility of sorting the element internally in a sorted format. Okay, tree set elements are stored in ascending order by default. That's what we are talking about. It offers several methods to deal with order like first, last, hash set, tail set. So these are some couple of the methods provided by the tree set. since it is maintaining the sorting order in ascending order, so let's say we want to get the first element or last element or top of the element or last tail element. So tree set provided some extra information, or you can say some extra method. Using that we will be able to get the element according to our need. Next difference between the hash set and tree set is like null object. So as we know, as per our previous discussion, hash set allow one null element because nines of the data, right? But in case of the tree set, it does not allow null object. Why? Because tree set required a proper data to sort the element. We know that tree set is going to sort the element in a ascending order. So it is required proper data to compare between the element. So if you try to insert any null object, it is going to throw some null pointer exception. Because tree set uses compare to method. Compare to method is nothing but is the method from the comparable interface. And this method is required to compare two key, right? What are the elements that you are inserting? So that element should be proper, otherwise it is going to throw some null pointer exception. Next difference is like comparison, how it is doing the comparison internally. So hash set uses the equal method to compare two objects in set for detecting duplicate. We have seen that equals method it is using, but in case of the tree set uses the compare to method. So this is the basic difference between the hash set and tree set. Hash set uses default method equals and hash code to compare two objects in set and for detecting the duplicate. But in case of the tree set uses compare to method for same purpose. If equals and compare to are not consistent, that is for two equal object should return true, while compare to method should return 0. It means that this method is going to return true or false, but compare to method is going to return value in the integer format, either 0, -1 or 1. 0 means both are equal. Okay, so these are the basic difference in terms of the comparison. Next difference is like when to prefer the tree set over hash set. When do we use the hash set, when do we use the tree set? So as per the nature of these two collection, right, hash set is preferred to use when we want to insert the unique record and we don't want to maintain any order. But tree set is used when we want to insert the unique record and also we want to maintain the insertion order in a ascending order. So in those kinds of scenario, tree set is greatest example. So next is like tree set uses the red black tree algorithm. Red black is nothing but the balancing tree. Internally it is going to use by the tree set to sort the element in a ascending order. When one needs to perform the read write operation frequently, then tree set is a good choice. So this is the another basic difference between the hash set and tree set when we want to use it. So when we want to perform the frequent read write operation, then tree set will be good. So these are some couple of the basic difference between the hash set and tree set. In next upcoming video, we are going to see what is the map interface. So map interface is nothing but the part of the collection framework only, but not the implementation of the collection interface. So stay tuned, we'll meet you soon. Thank you.